Everyone, it's Melissa with another craft activity for you. Today I thought I would show you how to make egg carton creatures. This is a great activity for recycling and using what you have on hand to make a fun art project. The only two things that are really required for today are an egg carton and paint. Other than that, you can use whatever you have on hand. If you have pom-poms, pipe cleaners, googly eyes, stickers, really, the sky is the limit. Whatever you want to use your imagination. Just gather it all together and you're ready to get started. So the first thing I did was I cut my egg carton so that I have the cups to paint. You can cut however many you want, leave however many you want connected. It's totally up to you. Today I'm going to make a turtle and an inchworm slash caterpillar. So what I did was I cut out 6 connected and left them like that, just sitting so that they're flat. And then I did one individual one. But you can do them in 2s, 3s, 4s, whatever you want to do. It's a very versatile craft. So let's start with my inchworm. I have my paint poured out here, I've protected my surface, and I have my apron on, so I'm ready to get started with that. The first thing I'm going to do is actually paint each of these sections, and then I'll be able to decorate them a little more and add on things, and we'll go from there. Alright, so here is the beginning of my rainbow colored inchworm. The next thing I'm going to want to do is start adding in details. So I have here some googly eyes to put on him. I have some pipe cleaners to make antenna, and then I think we'll go on from there. I might make him a little bit spotted. I can add in paint. If you have stickers or anything like that you want to add on, go for it. But for right now, I'm going to start gluing on googly eyes. Alright, so he has his googly eyes. I think the next thing I'm going to do is put on some antenna. I've got a nice green pipe cleaner here for some contrast. I think I'm just going to glue it on. Now if you're putting antennae on, you can also poke holes in the egg carton to stick them in. It's up to you what you prefer to do. I think I'm just going to glue mine on. And a neat trick to do if you'd like to curl antenna is to take a paintbrush or a pencil and just kind of curl the edges over the bottom of the paintbrush, and it makes these cute little curls that look like antenna. Alright, so while my 2 antennae are drying, I think I'm going to decorate his body a little bit more. I think I'm going to put, I have these really cute mini pom-poms. I think I'm going to put some of those on, and then I'll just glue them, I think, on the top so he's got a little decoration. Alright, so now that I have my decorations on, I think I'm done with him. I'm going to let him dry off to the side over here and start working on my next creature, which is going to be a turtle. So I'm going to take a single egg cup and gather my supplies. I don't have a green pom-pom for his face, so I'm going to be using kind of a slightly larger blue one. I've got some googly eyes and some green pipe cleaners, and I'm going to need some green paint. So I've got all of my supplies ready here. I'm going to get started on him. Alright, so my green has dried, and I'm going to go ahead and put on some details. I think I'm going to make some light green spots all over him to make him look kind of more turtle-like. Alright, so I did some light green spots on here, so he looks kind of more like a turtle now. He just has to dry a little bit, and then we can put on the pipe cleaner legs, the pom-pom head, and the googly eyes. I think while he's drying, I'm actually going to put the googly eyes on the pom-pom. So it's just going to take a little bit of glue. My Google eyes are right here, and just go ahead and glue them on. Alright, So my paint is pretty much dry. I think I'm going to attach the legs and then do the head. I want my head to go right here, so I'm going to need 4 sets of legs for him. And I've got my handy dandy green pipe cleaner here, so I'm just going to start making like kind of V shapes with my pipe cleaner and then cutting them to glue on the inside of the egg carton. Okay, so I have all my 4 V shapes cut out. They're ready to go on the inside. I'm just going to glue them right in the corners. I can actually tip my egg carton over because it's pretty dry, and I'm just going to glue them along the inside. Alright, so all you need to do now is wait for them to dry in place, and then you're ready to attach the head. Alright, so my legs have dried on the inside, and now it's time to attach the head. I decided I want it to go right up front here, and you can kind of play with it before you attach it. Take some glue, press it right on, and then it's just a matter of waiting for it to dry. Alright, so here are my finished products. This is my inchworm / caterpillar. I decided that he was a little bit plain, so I went back and put some black polka dots on him, but he's got his pom-poms glued on and his little antenna. I put a face on him because I realized I forgot to draw a mouth. So you can always go back and kind of, make little adjustments and add things if you'd like. This is my turtle. I think he came out the best. He's very cute and he stands on his own. So as you can see, I'm a big fan of Google Eyes, but you can also paint on eyes or use stickers or whatever you'd like to do. I also have a few more that I made in addition. I have here a ladybug, so that's kind of a fun thing if you have red paint and red pipe cleaners. And then to illustrate my point about using your imagination, here is a made-up creature that I made with some pom-poms, paint, and googly eyes. You really can do anything with these. If you want to make up your own creature, go for it. If you want to kind of model it after another creature, maybe look up some ideas, go for it. It's really just a fun, like I said, recycling craft that you can use up any supplies you have on. So that's it for today, for today's craft video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!